Alrighty then, let's dive right into the current situation unfolding on the Solana network, shall we? What we're seeing here is a clear bearish trend line, folks, a definitive downward slope that has effectively concluded its trajectory. It's done, finito. Now, of course, I did put out a video for you all last Friday. Remember that? And in that video, I specifically walked you through the process. You take your entry point, you place it right here, and then you wait for it to hit your target, which is precisely where we are now. And I also mentioned, if you can recall, that it was a bit of a speculative play, a small gamble, if you will, right? We're currently sitting pretty at 100.43, and believe me, that's not the end of the road for this particular asset. So we're going to break it all down, we're going to take a good hard look, and we're going to understand that when we decisively break through a significant resistance level, what we call a top in the realm of trading, especially on a clear, well-defined vector, we are indeed going to reach our intended target. That's precisely what I told you would happen. And I also emphasized, as I always do, with the tried and true WCM or ALAD strategy, that's what I advised you to keep an eye on. You're more than welcome to go back and rewatch the video from Friday, just to confirm. Now, moving forward, it's absolutely crucial to understand that tonight we will be having a live stream, a live trading session, where we'll be actively taking positions. You can take a look at all the positions I'm currently holding. A 40% gain for 128%, another at 21%, and a 17% gain for a fantastic 100%. We also have a break-even trade at 11%, but honestly, the specific names of these tokens are really secondary. What truly matters, what we're focused on, is the percentage of profit we're accumulating today. Understand? Now, the burning question is this the opportune moment to enter a long position on Solana, right here, right now? And the unequivocal answer, my friends, is a resounding no. It's not. The target for Solana has already been met, you see. We're a bit late to the party for an immediate entry on this specific move. We might potentially see a pullback, perhaps to this support level here, or maybe...
So after this move, we'll be looking for a retracement, a chance to re-enter the market. And the next target we're anticipating? It's right here. We know that's where it's likely heading. The critical piece of information we need to ascertain is the precise entry point for this next leg. That's the crucial detail you absolutely must be mindful of. Right now, it's a bit too late for an immediate entry, and that's perfectly okay. The key takeaway is that you need to actively search for that entry opportunity. The ultimate target, the primary goal, would be this level here, but it's absolutely not guaranteed that we'll reach it. Nothing is ever 100% certain, you understand. What you absolutely must do is look for a specific structure, a double bottom formation. You need to identify a double bottom pattern on a smaller time frame. I'm currently on the 4-hour chart here just to show you. Let me illustrate this double bottom pattern for you. If you're interested, you can always join me for the live streams in the evenings, where I meticulously explain my trading strategies in real time. And precisely right here, you can see it, folks. It has formed that classic double bottom for you. Now you simply descend to a smaller time frame, and there you have it. The double bottom pattern is clearly visible. You can see it, right? It's right there. Buy in, pull back, buy in again. It's a beautifully simple and effective strategy. So based on this analysis, you now have a clear roadmap for Solana's immediate future. The next immediate target is set at $151, a solid $151. And looking further ahead, the projected target for the week, as per my analysis, is an impressive $168. Therefore, buying Solana when it was trading around $112 was